Trending in the wrong direction. The governor says the latest COVID-19 data shows an increased spread of the virus among New Mexicans, with cases showing up in schools as well as more businesses. Let's get to News 13's Chris McKee.
The state is still meeting most gating criteria, but the governor is cautioning New Mexicans that a further slide could mean delaying or pulling back reopening even more.
We're still doing good work in New Mexico, but what it also indicates is we've introduced risk. We're seeing the results of that.
Now, one of the key metrics the state is using to track the uptick in COVID cases is rapid response data. Now, last week, there were well over 200 rapid responses or reports of at least one COVID-19 case in businesses and other workplaces. Now, that is up from around 125 rapid responses in the week after Labor Day. 71 COVID cases have emerged in schools, with those split almost evenly between students and staff. Now, more than half of those cases were with students and staff in remote learning, not in the school building. A continued issue the governor highlighted today is a lack of people getting tested. The state has the supplies to do roughly 7,000 tests each day. They are seeing less than 6,000 a day on average.
Do not let COVID fatigue prevent you from doing what you know is right. Stay home as often as you can. Always wear your mask, socially distance. For businesses that are finding that it's difficult in your communities, reach out to us. Maybe there are things we can do. New Mexicans, get tested. The more I know about where we have a potential issue or an outbreak, the better we are at responding.
The state is saying that it is making a continued push to get more people tested, particularly in counties where the positivity rate is above 5%, like a few places in southeast parts of the state. She mentioned a testing site in Carlsbad that, quote, only a handful of folks came to public health testing sites recently. Back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you. The governor also responded to New Mexico racinos, where all indoor gambling remains closed. She says while they have established good COVID-safe practices, she indicated today's numbers show that those facilities still pose too high of a risk of spreading the virus.